Everybody's talking about David Beckham because he just launched his new documentary on Netflix. Today we're going to recreate one of the most iconic hairstyles. So I'm here with Renée and Mikkel. Are you guys up for it?
Yeah.
Let's go.
In the front row, kicking back old school tracks like damn. Can't get enough of this mo like I don't even know where I am. Ooh, baby, get hyped to the beat, let's go, cause this is our jam. This is our jam.
So today I think we'll trim up the sides a little, maybe make a little fade just around the ears and in the neck. And I will not touch the length here because it's perfect for the Beckham look. So are you ready?
Yeah.
Perfect. Sidekick, and it has a heat protector for 300 degrees. It has a natural shine and some beautiful texture. I use 10 pounds. And then we're going to use the gold ear. It has a matte finish and an extreme hold. Some moisturizer.
Can't get enough of this mo like I don't even know where I am. Ooh, baby, get hyped to the beat, let's go, cause this is our jam. This is our jam.
Do you like it, Mikkel?
Yeah, it's all Beckham.
Yeah, I think it looks amazing. I'm a huge fan. You did a great job, Renée.
Thank you.
And guys, remember to write in the comment section down below what you think about the David Beckham hairstyle. Also like the video and subscribe. See you guys next time.